Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to understanding something really important in Salesforce. That is Salesforce user license types. Now this is not just a theory. Choosing the wrong license can either waste of money or block the user from doing their work. So in this video, we will understand the license types in simple ways. So first, we need to know where actually the user license is present. So we will need to navigate that user license. So first we need to click on gear icon, setup. In here, you just need to search users because in user only the user's license are present. So every time creating users, you will get one option like user license. Here you can see for this current user, the user license is Salesforce. So we will understand how the Salesforce license works and also how other license are works. Then what is user license? Okay, the first thing is what exactly is the user license? Think of like this. Every user in Salesforce must have one license. That license decides what they can access. It's like the base layer. On the top of that, profile gives the default access. Permission sets give the extra access. But everything starts from license. Means no license is equal to no access. So we will go with one PPT presentation. Then it will more easier to understand. So in this video, I will completely explain you how the license works in Salesforce, what are the types of license are available in Salesforce. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The most important concept is there are two types of user in Salesforce, that is internal users. You are an employee like sales team, support team or admins, you are called it as internal employees. If you are external users like people outside of our company like customers and partners, that is we call it as external users. Internal means they can access the full CRM. External means they only access the limited portal access. Also, internal licenses are more expensive. External licenses are cheaper. Now we need to know the main license for our employees, means internal users. Salesforce provide mainly four types of license for the internal users, means our employees. First one is Sales Cloud, used by the sales team. For example, lead, object, opportunities, pipelines. Basically, it's completely cover the everything need to be only for selling. Second type is Service Cloud. Service Cloud means it's only for support teams like cases, customer issues, support console. Users only use the Service Cloud. Then third one is Salesforce Platform. This is a later version used for access to custom apps, account and contacts. Used for internal teams like HR or operations. The final license type is chatter free. So chatter free is a very basic only for collaborations. No real CRM we are not able to access. In Salesforce, basically three types of outside users license are available. First one is customer community. Customer community means customer can raise the cases, read the help articles that is related to customer community. Then partner community. Partner community means for business partners share their leads, work on the leads. That is only related to partner community. So we have one more type like partner community plus. That is the advanced version. In that user can access the reports, dashboards, and more access. Basically, Salesforce provides few licenses like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Salesforce Platform, Chatter Free, Customer Community, Partner Community. The license is Sales Cloud. You can access everything from internally. For example, leads, object, forecast, and it is best for sales representatives and managers. And the Service Cloud is this is also give the internal full access. It's related to case console knowledge. It is best for support agents. Salesforce platform. It's a internal, but it's not give the full license. It will give the light access like account, contact, custom. Only for custom app user. Chatter free. It is comes under the internal free access. It can only access the chatter, no CRM. Means it can only access the chatter object. Nothing can it can be accessed. It is mainly used for collaborators. Customer community. Basic functionality it will do like it will access the case articles. It is best for self-service customers. Partner community. It is a external reach means it can access the leads, opportunities, accounts. It's best for channel partner. Then we need to move to how to use the right license. The first thing is we need to specify that user are internal or external. The second thing is we need to specify the which CRM object they need to be accessed. Then we need to give the login credentials, how they can log in. Then we need to finalize the license is fit for that works. We need to focus on right access for the right users. In Salesforce, there is a one thing like each user must have at least one license. Alright, the quick summary of this tutorial is every user must have one license. So license is the basic foundation in Salesforce. Internal versus external is the first decision. Always choose the latest works license because right license is equal to right access. Right access is equal to better productivity. So yeah, this is how user license works in Salesforce. So once you understand this, user management becomes super easy. I hope you understand all these types of user license in Salesforce. So if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.